Hey, are you curious about this place? Come, let's explore.
Hello, this is Isha Kumari. I'm a student pursuing Masters in New Media Communication. This is a newly launched course that started off at IMC Kottayam this year itself. And with changing time and the way digital media is progressing, it was the most relevant course that I could find myself signing up for. And I've loved every single moment since I've come here because of the way things are being taught. It's not just classroom learning, but also very much to do with external workshops and expert-led sessions. So we have a lot of hands-on training. We learn from things from artificial intelligence and prompt engineering to digital storytelling and content creation, data journalism, development communication, so many things in the overall aspect.
Postgraduate Diploma in English Journalism, which provides a professional newsroom experience to students. It's a 10-month-long course, which has 2 semesters. In the first semester, we learn different aspects of communication, editing, reporting. And in the second semester, we'll get hands-on experience in advertisement, PR, and media production, and also digital journalism. So from the first day onwards, I became a professional journalist.
Indian Institute of Mass Communication PG Diploma മലയാളം ജേർണലിസം വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയാണ്. ഈ ഒരു കോഴ്സിന്റെ പ്രധാന ലക്ഷ്യം എന്നത് മലയാളത്തിൽ ഗുണമേന്മയുള്ള മാധ്യമ പരിശീലനം നൽകുക എന്നതാണ്. 2 സെമസ്റ്ററുകളിലായി റിപ്പോർട്ടിംഗ്, എഡിറ്റിംഗ്, TV, റേഡിയോ തുടങ്ങിയ ഡിജിറ്റൽ സാങ്കേതിക വിദ്യകളുടെ പ്രായോഗിക പരിശീലനം ഇവിടെ നൽകപ്പെടുന്നു. പ്രായോഗികമായ പരിശീലനത്തോടൊപ്പം മികച്ച മാധ്യമ പ്രവർത്തകരുടെ എക്സ്പേർട്ട് സെക്ഷനുകളും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നൽകാറുണ്ട്. മാധ്യമരംഗത്ത് മികച്ചൊരു കരിയർ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന ഏതൊരാൾക്കും 100% പ്ലേസ്മെന്റും ഇന്റേൺഷിപ്പുമാണ് ഈ ഒരു ക്യാമ്പസ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
Being a faculty at IMC Kottayam gives me immense pride and also responsibility that I'm a part of an institution which has a legacy and is also coming under Government of India, where we are training professionals not only in communication but also in media education. So this year again we have introduced a concept of clubs. So we have a lot of clubs which are functioning very actively throughout the campus. Like the Literary Society is there, we have Media and Communication Society, then we have Environment Society and Debate Society. So all these societies are actively, preparing for their programs, conducting different competitions for our students. Our campus is also known for its anti-ragging policies. There is no ragging, no such issues. Students are always together, they enjoy together, they eat together, they study together, and also think about innovative projects together. And similarly, it is our students who are our strength. They have always ensured that whoever is passing out from this campus, they have helped us to connect, make sure that they are connecting with us all the time,